Hi guys, welcome back. I got a brand new video today for you on the Microsoft Bing Image Creator. I've done a video recently on the Bing Image Creator on the new Dall-E3 model, and it has been generating a lot of good images for me, but I've found another way to use or to put in better prompts to give me a better outputs. So this is a very simple example that I just typed in this prompt. I've been using Optimus Prime, like Transformers, saying, oh, they were having coffee in the Hong Kong MTR station. So the photos look okay. They're not anything in spectacular, but there are ways to help you prompt better to create a better image. And with the new prompt, I was able to create these kind of more good looking images. Similar thing when Optimus Prime and Bumblebee are having coffee. I think these are much more better photos that it generated. And the way to do it is to use better prompt systems. So I actually found out using the POE AI Chatbot. Inside there is other accounts that can help you make better prompts. So for this case, it's Dall-E3_S. You can check this person out. He wrote this chatbot. So similar thing. Let's not use Optimus Prime this time. Let's use something else. Let's try a dog. I'll say a monkey is shuffling snow in a park. That's a really random name. So let's do this inside Bing Creator first. So I'm back inside Bing Creator. Let me type in this. A monkey is shuffling snow in a park. Really simple. Let's just create this and see what kind of image I can get. All right, we're back. We got some images. Monkey shuffling snow in a park. I mean, they're not bad. And let's see if we use a better prompt from Dall-E here. So I'll put in this prompt, ask it to enhance my prompt. So here it's going to give me 4 different prompt selection. Let's have a quick read. An illustration of a monkey inspired by the style of manga artists shuffling snow in Scenery Park. So this one will be a style of manga, comic stuff. This one will be digital illustration. This is through a book's illustration by this author, oil painting, and then 3D comic style. So let's try the 3D model one. Let's copy this. Go back to Bing Image Creator, paste this, and let's see the difference between these two images. So we've got some pretty cool style, much more detailed, dramatic. Look at the hat, it's so detailed. It's much more dramatic, I think, compared to this one. You see the difference? It's hard to compare exactly the same because there's so much more information here from the prompt. So let's do another one. Let's check the cartoon one, the manga one. Come back in here, paste it, create. Look at this one. This is just like one of those movies, the Japanese movies. Those cartoon movies, they look really good. So that's one way to use the Dall-E3 chatbot inside POE. You can also try the other one. There's one for stable diffusion, I believe. So let's put in the same thing. Let's put in a monkey shuffling snow in the park, and let's see what we'll get here. So what's good about this particular chatbot is it will give you the negative prompts, things that you don't want to see. So again, let's just copy the entire thing and then go back to Bing Creator delete this, paste it, and see the difference. I mean, there's no right or wrong. You just need to find the one that matches your style. And one quick tip, they are starting to block a lot of the copyright images. So previously I was doing a lot of Disney characters, but now they're all being blocked. So you can see on my prompt library, a lot of these are being being blocked because it's either using, like I put in like Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse. They're now being blocked, so you're not able to create those images anymore. So let's compare the one that we just used. So playful monkey happily shuffling snow. These are really stunning images. Let's jump back into POE. I want to show you where to find these bots that can help you improve your prompt. So go inside POE, click on Explore, and then on the search bar, just put in prompt. And you can see these ones like Prompt Genius, Dall-E bots. These bots will help you create a better prompting. So just look for the one that you think it's good. The first one's like 13,000 monthly users, so that's good. Let's click on this. I'll just save this one and let's give this one a try. A futuristic, sorry, I can't type today. A futuristic home office space inspired with Africa safari theme. So it gave me 3 different ones. And the good thing is it's asking questions. What aspects would you like? Are there particular elements you want to see? I mean, if you want to dig deeper, you can do this. But if not, then you can just take this. All right, let's just do one directly here. Create. All right, with just the simple prompt, I am getting some good images here. Futuristic open home office space inspired by Africa safari theme. Whoa, that's nice. Once you want this office in your home, that looks cool. And then if we take the one here, take this prompt, go back to Bing Image Creator, paste this. It's been blocked, so let's see what word was not being allowed. It's probably these words, I don't know. Let's try just half of this. That's a shame. Again, it's been blocked. What word is not nice here? It's probably the cultural influence things. All right, let's take those words out. I mean, this is what happens if you're using Bing Image Creator these days. All right, 1 second. Let's take out the cultural word. Remove some of the other words. Let's see if it will work. If not, then I'll just try something else. Let's try just the simple one up here. If not, then this might not be the best. Might not be the best example here. All right, so here we go with the enhanced prompting. What do you think of these images? They look pretty nice too. So there's the difference. I mean, you tell me which one you like better. But using these bots to enhance your prompting is a very good way. So this is just a quick video that I just recently found out. You can use these kind of chatbots to help you create better prompts, so you'll get a better output inside your Bing image creator using Dall-E3. Hope this was useful. If this helped you in a bit, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have other ways to do better promptings on Bing Creator, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.